emergency call out on a Sunday. See if we can help her. Hi, you alright? How we doing? Yes.
Very happy to see you.
What happened here then?
I let myself out.
Oh dear. Okay, alright, let's get you sorted. Happens every day to someone. Shouldn't take 2 minutes. Yeah. It's right. There we go. Hey presto. Magic, eh?
Such a relief. Thank you.
Alright, no, you're welcome, no problem at all.
So much. That's just amazing. I'm not letting go of these.
Yeah, fantastic.
Thank
Thanks
you
a lot.
so much,
Thanks
Kate.
a lot.
That's
Cheers.
brilliant.
Yeah.
See you later.
All right, no
Bye.
worries. All the
Thanks a
best.
lot.
Cheers. Bye. Thank you.